A toddler has been successfully rescued after becoming trapped in a household washing machine. The 2-year-old boy became stuck in the machine's plastic bucket at his home in China's eastern Shandong province. His mother had to call the emergency services after she made several unsuccessful attempts to pull him out. Firefighters had to cut through the basket's plastic side until they could break it with their bare hands and free the child. It comes just days after a 3-year-old girl had to be rescued after becoming trapped in a washing machine in the same province.